Just a short video of Visual Basic 6 RichTextBox versus Visual Studio 2019 RichTextBox. Same things. I only do those two buttons just to show you what's the difference between the coding of the two. That was just to for a fault checking. Okay, both are working the same. Select start and select length, and then the bottom button 1, that is of course a bold, and the second button is for italic. RichTextBox version 6, that is all you need, but you have to do this. If it is, when I set it to true, this is how I do it. Button 2, the italic, is not so simple, and I'm not even finished with this. I'm not even finished with this. There's only 2 selections. There's supposed to be 3 on each side. Only one command for Visual Basic 6 versus RichTextBox 2019. I don't work in 2022 because every time they update the DLL, my whole program flops. So I came back to 2019, the stable one. Let's see how it runs, then you will understand what I'm saying. It's already selected, as you can see over here. That was selected over there. When you say bold, that is now this side over here. You can change it back. The moment you say italic, it changed nicely. But now look at this. Now this is this. And this is only the italic if it is bold. If it's not bold, just too bad, guys. There he changed it back. It stays with only one line. It stays italic. I just removed the bold, but this one changed the italic as well. So let's do the bold again, and the italic. You can see it works nice. Now, why will I or any person go into this kind of programming if they can use only one line at a time? Only one line at a time. So what I'm done was, in my references I add this RichTextBox, but then it don't work. Nothing I tried work. So what I done, I go to General. There you can see that this one. So when you right click and you say choose items, came to the components, make it a little bit larger here so that you can see, and you scroll down until you get to Microsoft RichTextBox 6. That is for Visual Basic 6. Was last updated or modified in 2004. Now I rather use this before I use this kind of thing. I can show you in my other program. Here I even use, this is solely done in 2017. I have all those buttons to do the different codes and stuff. So if you look here and you write anything here, that is bold, that's italic, but then it take the bold off. That's underline, that's bold and italic, but then it remove the underline. So if you want underline, you have to do this. So it's a very confusing state of things, and this is how it look at the bottom. Let's go to 1259, and that is how the bold italic look. I've done it like this. And to check everything, if it was selected or not selected, or is this true and that false, I don't think so. So I will come back to just Visual Basic 6 and use only one command per line to activate and to deactivate, just to show you. If we, let's say we add another button here and we call it underline, okay, we make the text here and we say it's U, and we go to the font and we say italic is false and this underline is true. Button 3. If you go to button 3, let me just take this button 3 out, and we say if rt6.cell font, let's just copy this over. It's just so much easier, as you can see. If cell underline, cell underline, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Cell underline. Yeah, of course. Blah 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 blah. Else. Of course, of course, of course. Then you make it false, and that one you make true, and you save and you run. Make it bold, make it italic. You can remove the bold, you can remove the italic, you can remove the, it will stay the same with only those commands. So guys, if you want to use the RichTextBox on that side versus this one on this side, it's your problem. I will stay with Visual Basic 6. Thanks.